What is the craziest coffee crowdfunding project in 2023? That's got to be the TIMEMORE 078S. It was a massive hit, raking almost $7 million and selling more than 10,000 of units in just a few months. Seriously mind-blowing stuff. Hey everyone, welcome back to I'm Not a Barista for another quick unboxing. Today we've got something exciting for all you Sculptor grinder users out there. It's the new extended hopper designed especially for those who love hot grinding. If you're curious to dive deeper into the Sculptor grinder, be sure to check out these awesome detailed reviews from the coffee community. But no product's perfect, right? A lot of reviewers pointed out that the 078S isn't ideal for hot grinding. So we started thinking, how can we tweak this adorable grinder to make it better?
Oh, hell no!
When we mentioned this to TIMEMORE, turns out they were already on it with their own accessory. Talk about great minds thinking alike. Let's not wait any longer. Here's our first look at this much anticipated accessory for Sculptor 078S. This nifty little hopper upgrade boosts the capacity, letting you grind more beans in one go. And the best part, you can now do your hot grinding without the popcorn effect. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference. What do you think? Is this the small but mighty upgrade you've been waiting for? Drop us a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and as we always say, keep grinding.